this journey through life, I can't give up. It gets hard sometimes, but I know God's word is true.
What's up, ATC gang? Welcome back to another video. It is Sunday, so that means I gotta stop and thank God for allowing me to make it through another week. I hope you all are blessed and be prepared, because in 2 seconds you're gonna see the messiest part of my house. Please don't tell nobody. But if you want to see how I transform this mess, go ahead and keep watching. So now that the cat's out of the bag, I guess I have some explaining to do. This might be slight hoarder tendencies. So yes, it's the back of my TV stand. And again, because I live in such a small space, I just do not have, the extra space to organize certain things. And this is kind of like all right, we're not going to see it, but we're going to get to it one day. And I guess that one day is now today. It's basically just a bunch of mail. And when I take the mail out the mailbox, or when I'm in the hospital, which is every month, my family will take the mail out the box. And if I'm not home, they place it behind the TV. And because we've lived here 2 years, Lord, I guess it just piled up. So it's time to just stop playing and get this mess in order. I want to be able to decorate behind the TV stand so I can have this nice and clean, and also replace the TV. So in today's video, I will be organizing and cleaning this TV stand, as well as the steps and the area behind it, so I can just move on with my life. I'm so glad I started this Messiest part of my home series, because it just gives me the motivation to get things done. Remember, guys, no judgment zone here.
This way. This way, this way, no way, no way, no way, no way, no way. You tell me that you care for me, but I don't think it's true. You say I know you got, but baby, all you got is you. You promise me you're everything, but never see it through. I don't think you truly love me. If you did, you wouldn't hurt me. This way, this way, this way.
So for everyone that's new to my channel, I just wanted to take a moment and stop and introduce myself and say hello. My name is Cicely. I am a disabled mom of 2 young boys. I am disabled by way of sickle cell anemia. That is why earlier I mentioned that I'm in the hospital almost monthly. I felt it was important to show the world that if I can get up and do it through pain episodes and all, I want you to feel encouraged that you can get through life as well. So if you want to watch our story, I enjoy vlogging, home decor. We do a lot of hauls and parenthood videos. If that sounds like something you're interested in, I would love to have you join our family. So to do that, you got to hit that subscribe button, and also turn on your notification bell so you know every time we upload a new video. Come on, join the fam. We'd love to have you. Okay, so my boyfriend was like, "You're going to have all of this clean in 30 minutes? Yeah, probably not. So it's crazy, but it's kind of in piles. So this is all of the papers that I kept, because those are newspapers. So I cleaned the windows. These are my baby's sonogram photos. So I definitely have to keep those. So these are all important papers. These are bags, like gift bags that we kept. These are product boxes. This pile right here is holiday decor. And this little circle is cleaning supplies. And I found a couple of games. The tissue box is actually trash, so we'll put that in the trash pile. That big circle is the trash pile. And what we have left on the TV stand is my son's Xbox, my man's Shield. He loves this thing. And all of my son's various controllers. And this is the mess that remains. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe all of his controllers down with a sanding wipe. I'll wipe this down with a sanding wipe and then come back and do the tabletop with some wood cleaner.
The happy ending, unexpected plot twist where you always say me. We're the good part, we never fake it. Even if it hurts, we always say it. Like it just like that, kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Like it just like that, kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like that. Somehow we make sense. We're the only one who knows it. Our feelings never tense. We don't need no water.
So now that I have everything cleared off the top, I'm just taking the time to organize this stack. I'm throwing the trash in the trash. This pile is all of my newspapers and my mail, so I have to put that away. And then I'm taking all of my decor and putting that in this same bag that has the gift bags in it, because those go in the basement as well.
Like that. Kinda like it like that.
Now that I have all of the paperwork put away, I just have the random things that go around the house, like this one mask. I'll have my son come get his board games, and my boyfriend will decide what to do with the product boxes. If you're feeling the cleaning motivation thus far, go ahead, do me a favor and leave me a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel.
We're the good part, we never fake it.
As you can see, I must have had butterfingers because I dropped these sandy wipes a million times. I just kept getting another one, whatever. But so I'm going to take the time to wipe down all of the controllers. Remember, when you're at home cleaning, this is definitely a high touch area. When you eat, you may or may not have your kids wash their hands. So the food from the bathroom goes to the table, from the table to the video games and computers. Just remember to wipe down these areas because they definitely carry germs.
Like it just like that, kinda like it like that. Kinda like it like
Oh my God, can y'all believe how much dirt was on top of this TV stand? That's crazy. But it's oddly satisfying, though, that it's now a cleaner space. So I sprayed the tabletop with some wood cleaner and I'm letting it sit for a minute to penetrate the stains. And I'm taking the time to wipe down the walls with the magic eraser. This one was actually found at Dollar Tree, so it definitely lives up to its competitors. I'm glad that I tried it out.
But I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around.
Okay, y'all, now that I've scrubbed the top of the table with the magic eraser, I'm just showing y'all the filth that is my steps. So it's time to get into this dirt.
But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing. But I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time
Okay, so now that I have the banister wiped down, I'm just removing the previous fall decorations in preparation for my Halloween decor. I did a wonderful collab on Friday, so I'll be sure to link that. And here you can see the dirt from the banister.
Oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come?
So right here, I'm just finishing up scrubbing the riser and the step. And I'm going to go back over it with a white cloth. I wanted to use one end that was wet so I could wash it a second time. And the other end of the cloth is dry. At the end, I'm going to show you how much dirt is left on the stairs after they've been scrubbed down twice. Isn't it crazy how much is left on this white cloth? Had I just scrubbed them with the one cloth thinking they were clean, I would have been mistaken. So for the third scrubbing, I'm just going to pull out my steamer. I love this thing, and I'll get ready to wrap this video up, guys. I'm loving that this area is super clean, so now I can go ahead and put out my Halloween decorations. Be sure to check that video out.
I don't know a single thing.
Thank you so much for hanging out with me and cleaning the messiest part of my house. I'll see you in the next one. Be blessed.
See you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing.